In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your oil pressure switch on your Chevy Colorado. It's located above your oil filter. Remove your hubcap using a pry bar. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our wheel. Remove your wheel. Pick up your inner fender liner, and right there is where the oil pressure switch is. We're going to disconnect the harness first. There's a green connector. You're going to pick up on this right here and pull it out. Move it along, off to the side, and we're going to use a 27mm socket or a wrench, and we're going to loosen that and take it out. You're going to use a 27mm socket, a long one, and put it right on there. Make sure you have a drip pan below before you begin this job. You may lose some oil. I'm going to use an extension and my ratchet, and we're going to loosen that up. Loosen it the rest of the way and take it out. Just be careful you don't bend the socket down or up, because you don't want to break the switch off. Remove that. You are going to get some oil that comes out. Just have a drip pan below. Just put a little engine oil on the O-ring only, not on the threads. Let's thread this in, the new one. Once you get it started, you're going to hit that thread locker that's already on. You can continue to turn it in, but you may need the ratchet and extension. So once it bottoms out like that, torque this to 15 foot-pounds. Now we can plug in our harness. Just line up the lock tab and push it on. You should hear that click. Make sure you clean up your area. Let it drip dry. And put your fender liner back. Put your wheel on. Put your lug nuts on. We're going to tighten our wheel down. I'm going to spin it. Have one on the bottom. And we're going to walk our wheel up. And now we're going to go in a crisscross manner and tighten it up. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to torque our wheels to 103 foot-pounds in a crisscross style. Now you can put your hubcap on. Just tap it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.